अध्यक्ष जी, निश्चित रूप से सरकार जब भी भविष्य में ये विषय ऐसे हैं जिस पे सबको चिंता होनी चाहिए, और निश्चित रूप से इन विषयों के ऊपर, क्योंकि कई सुझाव सदन में भी आए हैं, बाहर से भी आ रहे हैं, तो इस प्रकार के कानूनों का जो सुधार होगा तो इन सुझावों को हम मद्देनजर रखेंगे।
अब आप इसको विड्रा कर रही हैं, इसमें दीदी सुधार की तरफ तो बढ़ गए हैं उसमें प्रकृति। अब जो मिल रहा है उसको तो हम फिलहाल 40 साल बाद अब
उपाध्यक्ष जी, मैं न चाहते हुए भी भारी मन से इसको वापस
now the minister has yes. Now again the question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The bill is passed. Now, the minister's statement is there. Now, there is another bill, the Indian Divorce Amendment Bill, is only to be moved. It can be moved only. He can move it today. And then we can take
all right, let him introduce the bill, and thereafter the minister's statement, and then we will adjourn.
Yeah, that's right.
Sir, may I just suggest this, sir, before I make the formal introduction of the bill? Because I think it's important that amongst all these legislations, this perhaps is the most important one. And it has taken the Indian Parliament to come to a consensus, and for various connected people to agree to this reform, a period of as long as 50 years. And therefore, it's important that we pass it in this session in both the houses. Now, since I have only 5 days thereafter left next week in the next session, and if you keep the Fridays out, it will be only 4 days, my request would be that this can be passed this week by this session, and so that I am able to take it to the Lok Sabha next week and approve it. So may I suggest, because it's not a bill which is going to involve a very long debate, because most of the items, if there's a unanimous recommendation of the standing committee, we can, if members agree, we can sit for a half an hour or 1 hour today, depending on what the members feel. Or we can sit after the private.
I will assure the Honorable Minister that this bill we will take it up on Monday. There will be no problem, so that we will have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to get it passed in Lok Sabha.
So may I then make a formal introduction of the bill?
Yeah, please. That's what the.
Sir, I'll just make a formal brief introduction of the bill.
Move the.
Sir, I move that the Indian Divorce Amendment Bill 2000 be taken up for consideration and passage by this Honorable House.
Yeah, thank you.
Will you like to make any remarks now?
Sir, may I?
The question is that the Indian Divorce Amendment Bill.
No, sir. After that,
May I?
speaker should be there.
May I? I'll just give a